best of the best, sir.
I was the CIA director. We lied, we cheated, and we stole. We had entire training courses.
Well, today is one of those training courses.
Sir, yes, sir. We must lie, we must cheat, and we must steal, sir. Because we learn from our great leaders, sir.
Yes, that's how we serve our country. And now we will play another clip from this national best-selling textbook.
So, Mr. Pompeo, do you think the virus was man-made?
Yes, it was man-made.
But your office of the DNI says that it was natural and not man-made.
No, it was not man-made.
I'm confused, sir.
That's why you're a maggot.
Is the virus man-made or natural, sir?
Good question for a maggot. Let's ask our expert.
Sir.
Oh, hello there, laddies.
Good day, Professor Cute.
What can I do for you today?
Our maggots here today want to know if the SARS-CoV-2 virus is man-made or natural.
Can I lie?
You are not CIA. Lying is our job, not yours.
Well, you're in luck. We have 35 scientists from around the world saying that the SARS-CoV-2 is natural.
Are you lying to us?
No, that's your job, remember?
Oh yes, this is after all the US of A.
That's what you do best.
Thank you, Professor Cute. So, maggots,
Sir.
You now have your answer.
Sir, yes, sir.
Professor Cute and 35 other renowned scientists from all around the world all agree that this is natural.
Sir, yes, sir.
Do you understand?
But then how come our politicians were calling it the Chinese virus and that it was made in a lab in Wuhan?
Because, maggot, that is the job of our great politicians.
We are always correct, even though we contradict ourselves.
We are the best of the best of the best, sir.
What does the CIA stand for?
Comedy Intelligence Agency, sir.